So I got a Keurig for Christmas. My friend gave it to me. Thank you, Mimi. And I want to show you how I set up my coffee station because right now it is a hot mess. I'm not a coffee drinker. I'm more of a tea slash hot chocolate drinker. And ever since I got this, I've been buying some K-cups and I store them up here basically. Like, look at this. No, so I'm gonna show you my solution. So my counter, my microwave is also here, but I have this drawer here that I'm gonna put everything inside and it's gonna make it so simple. Just have to clear it out first. Yeah, like I said, it's super simple. So I got my drawer all cleaned, and what I'm gonna use are these baskets here, these gold baskets from Dollar Tree. That's literally all you need is just a couple of these, and I'm gonna put them in here and then lay my stuff out on top of it. It's just me. I don't have a family yet, so I don't need much storage, but if you do have a family, you might, I don't know, you might need like a bigger system. Yep, there it is, just like that. I'm gonna cut the tags out, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like inside the drawer. Then I'm gonna empty it. Now I'm gonna take my K cups and my tea bags, and I'm gonna like arrange them in on here. So I'm just gonna take them out of the boxes and start arranging them on here. And there it is, all done. I have my sugar up here, but pretty simple and for only $2. I said I'm not much of a coffee drinker and I'm looking at my K-cups because I've got like half of them is coffee. This was given to me, so, but you know what? Sometimes you need the caffeine just when you stay up late. But this is pretty simple. Tea bags, ginger tea, crystals, sugar. I don't even use Splenda, but oh well. But yes, all set. You cannot beat the price, y'all. Yeah. And then we just close it. And yep, all done.